Welcome back. This is the start of the main section of installing your website. This section is very interactive and will be done as a work along. My goal is that you'll have the first functional website built by the end of this course. Please feel free to pause and rewind sections. If you have questions, please ask on our Facebook page and either myself or one of our other members may be able to answer. I'll be walking through this step by step, trying to keep in mind our time, but also explain it a bit so it's not completely foreign. This is supposed to be for everyone with no experience, and that continues to be the main goal of this course. I'll also be posting complimentary material if you wish to view. This material will explain some things that will help when getting additional websites on your server and extra tidbits like that. Now that we have a game plan, domain, host, template, we can begin installing our website and get it ready for the real world. Here's what we're going to be going through in the next section. So the first is we're going to be pointing the domain to our new server that we just got, our new host server. Then we're going to be setting up the server. We're going to get its SSL installed, its databases installed, and all of those type of things, all the preliminary stuff. The next thing we're going to be setting up email. So your personal email from your domain and just showing you a little bit how to use that. The next one is uploading the files. This is just uploading your WordPress files and your template files. And once we're done that, we're going to go ahead and install WordPress. Finally, we're going to be installing the design template and then the rest of the plugins that we need to install to make everything awesome. So that's what we're going to do. There's a lot in this section to cover. So let's get through this together.